易经 reading, 易经 reading. Here's 易经 reading. Yes. 易经 reading is used 64. Yes, 64 hexagram. 64 hexagram to tell you your right now condition, process, and your outcome. Okay? Today's example is here. Mr. A want to shift, want to change his job. But Mr. A don't know. Mr. A doesn't know that the future job will be better than the list now, than the old one, good or better. She doesn't understand it, so worry about it. So make this reading. So the first hexagram is here. 山火币. The name of this hexagram is declaration. Means what? So far, your job not so okay. You feel the tired, you feel the bored, so you want to change. But here is change, y'all. This one is you. This one is outside condition. Here we call the hexagram. It's two trigram. You are fire, here's earth. Means what? Right now, you are worried about it, to be or not to be. You worry about that if you really shift your job, the future job may be bad than the you right now. Okay, you are worried about it, right? So Mr. A say, yes, I'm worried about it. But here already remind you, right now, declaration. Right now, you feel the bored, you feel the tired. Okay, so I tell the Mr. A, the outcome is good or bad. We must see the process, okay? Right now, your job is not okay. So we see the process, and then we see the outcome, and then we can make a conclusion. Change, yes or no. Now the process is here. 雷水解 solution. Good. Your hexagram tell you if you continue looking for the new job, the process very, very smooth. If you continue apply for the new job, good. If you attend the interview, the process is good. The most important is here outcome. 地火明理 ，30 地火明理 ，this one not good. Why not good? Why? Here tell you, you will get some damage. You will get some hurt. No comparison. You don't know which one is good. So according to your reading, I will suggest you. Hello, Mr. A. Yes, right now your job not good. You cannot find any pleasure in your job. But if you shift your job, I tell you, your future job will be worse than your job right now. So you had better be patient and continue doing the same job. Yes, right now here tell you, first not good, process good, but your outcome same not good. Tell you why. Right now you must be patient waiting. Time frame not so good to you. Time frame is not so good to you, okay? Here tell you time frame not so good to you. Be patient and waiting. Be patient and waiting. Maybe next week or 2 weeks later, you will change your mind, okay? Anyway, you want to shift the job, outcome not good. Tell you not good. I give you the cross not good, okay? Here is your rating. So that's all for this video. Next time I will make a serious video, and give you the example and show you how to see your present process and your outcome. Okay. So that's all for this video. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you.